We have a breaking development coming at this stage, and this is about Supreme Court of India. Subramaniam Swamy has moved the Supreme Court seeking abolishment of the Devaswam board in Kerala. Swamy in his petition has challenged the rules of the board and demanded it to be abolished altogether. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the petition. Notice has been issued to Kerala government and Devaswam board to file their responses to Swamy's plea. This is a big development coming in. We will be, in fact, try to get more details on this and also get across to our legal correspondent Nalini Sharma, who is tracking all the developments from the Supreme Court of India. Subramaniam Swamy's plea to in fact abolish Devaswam board in Kerala has been accepted by the Supreme Court. Notices have been served. Nalini, you're joining us on the phone line. Fill us in with the latest.
Well, Aditya, the Supreme Court has issued notice not only to the Devaswam board but also to the Kerala government to respond on Subramaniam Swamy's plea. And what Subramaniam Swamy is stating is that this entire board that runs the Hindu temples within Kerala should be completely abolished, considering the kind of rules and guidelines that they adhere to while conducting the administration of this temple. Now, of course, it is the Kerala government that ultimately looks after this Devaswam board, but within themselves they have these religious administrations that clearly state that no government or no authority can interfere in their working. All of this is, of course, coming in the light of the massive Sabrimala protests that we are seeing, and the fact that Devaswam board had also objected to allowing women from entering the Sabrimala temple.
It is a big development coming in. We will continue with this story. In fact, the Supreme Court has accepted the plea of Subramaniam Swamy, the senior BJP leader and parliamentarian as well. And let's go across to Sanjeevi to discuss this in detail. Sanjeevi, you're joining us live from the protest side. And now Subramaniam Swamy wants to abolish this entire system of boards running the temples in Kerala. What are the repercussions? What are the protesters really thinking about this petition of Subramaniam Swamy?
Well, this is really a massive, thing because Supreme Court had accepted to take this case. Let me directly go to Shilpa Nayak, who is one of the activists here.